Hi students, so in this video we are going to continue the remaining part of the supplementary unit 1 on Monday morning. So on Monday morning is an adapted from the adventure of Tom Sawyer by Mark Twain. We can continue the remaining story. So in previous video we saw that Tom Sawyer finds so miserable to go to school on Monday, so he thought to make some drama and to stay at home itself. First he thought first he examined himself that if he is having any sick in his body, but there is no any symptoms. So then he thought that whether we can say that our tooth is shakening, but he thought that it will be too painful if he said that, because his aunt Polly would pull it out the shaking tooth. So finally he decided to say that her toe is paining. So he started to groan, and also Sid is also has wake up, and he's asking what happened to you, to the Tom Sawyer, and he is saying that nothing, don't worry, by time it will recover you, you don't say to anyone. He is Tom is saying to Sid. So up to this only we have saw in previous video. Now we can continue the remaining part. But I must, don't grow so, Tom, it's full. So he's saying that, but I must means, so but I must, Tom Sawyer is saying to Sid that don't tell to anybody that I'm suffering from toe pain. But Sid is saying, but I must say, isn't, because don't grow means don't monomonakarthu irukku illaya, that is don't grow some, it's full. So full means by hearing itself, it's like an unpleasant, it's looking like unpleasant, please don't grow. Sid is saying to Tom Sawyer, how long you have been this way? Horse, ouch. Oh, don't stir so, Sid, you will kill me. So now Sid is asking a question. So what question? How long you have been this way? So Sid is asking to Tom Sawyer that how long, for how long you are suffering from this toe pain, he is asking. And Tom Sawyer is saying that hours by hours, 1 hour வந்துட்டு I am suffering from the pain. Oh, ouch, don't stare so, Sid, you will kill me. So he is Sid is shaking the body of Tom Sawyer. For that Tom Sawyer is saying, don't don't shake my body, you will kill me. Like that Tom Sawyer is saying to Sid, Tom, why didn't you wake up me sooner? So now Sid is asking to Tom, why you didn't wake me sooner itself? So he is asking, okay, wow. Oh, Tom, don't. It makes my flesh crawl to hear you. What is the matter? So after asking the question, he didn't get any answer. Continuously he is asking the question and saying that you don't say anything. First he asked the question, so why you didn't wake up me sooner? After that he is saying that don't start to groan again, because my flesh is crawling. Crawl means ஊர்ந்து போகிறது பாரு, இப்படி உருண்டு உருண்டு போவாங்க இல்லையா, ஸோ தட் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் crawl. ஸோ மை ஃப்ரெஷ் இஸ் crawl. ஸோ crawl மீன்ஸ் என்னோட வயிறுலாம் அப்படியே பெரட்டுது. ஸோ I don't like to hear that. So what is the matter? Just say me what is the matter. So now Tom is saying, so this line is said by Tom. I forgive you for everything, Sid. So now Tom is saying, so actually Sid is asking the question that what is the matter, but Tom is giving the answer, I forgive you for everything, Sid. Groan again, he started to groan. Okay, wow. Everything you have done to me when I'm gone. So he said, I'll forgive you everything what you have done to me. So Tom is saying to Sid, now I will forgive you whatever you have done to me when I'm gone. So he stopped up to that. Oh, Tom, you aren't dying, are you? Don't, Tom. Oh, not maybe. So this part is said by Sid. Okay, wow. This part is said by Tom. Tom is saying that I'll forgive you for everything whatever you did me when I'm gone. So this is the subject they have given here. For that, Tom is replying, "Oh Tom, don't say like that. Are you dying?" He is asking. Sid is asking to Tom that are you dying, and also he's asking, "Don't say like that. Don't Tom. No, no, maybe." No, it is nothing going to happen, he is saying. I forgive everybody, Sid. So again Tom is saying, I forgive everybody, Sid. நான் எல்லாத்தையுமே வந்துட்டு I'll forgive. Tell Ema, tell him so, Sid. And Sid, you give my window sash and my cat with one eye to the new girl that comes to the town and tell her. So, and also he's saying, Tom is saying these words to Sid that I forgive everybody. And also he is instructing some instructions to Sid that give my window sash and one eye cat. So window sash means that is a window with glass, made up of glass. It will be like this. So that is called, wait, I'll show you the picture of window sash. So this is the window sash that he is having by the side of a room. Okay, well, nothing but a window glass. That is only they are saying that as a window sash. So he is asking Sid to give that a window sash and one-eyed cat to the new girl who's coming to the new town. But Sid had snatched his cloth and gone. Tom was suffering in real. Now his imagination was working well, and so his groan had gathered quite a genius tone. So by the time happens, Sid is very frightened because he snatched his clothes. So he pulled out all his clothes that is all the bed sheets from Tom Sawyer, and Sid is seeing that Tom is suffering really. So he thought that Tom is suffering very severely, and very he is suffering in reality itself. So he is very much afraid, and Sid started to groan, and he started to rush to the Aunt Polly, and he started to say what happened. Sid flew upstairs and said, "Oh, Aunt Polly, come on, Tom is dying." So, as soon as Sid flies to the downstairs, and he is saying to Aunt Polly, "Come, Aunt Polly, Tom is dying." So now Aunt Polly is asking, "What dying?" So again Sid is saying that, "Yes, don't wait, come quick." So Sid is saying that, "Yes, he is dying, don't wait, please come quickly." So rubbish. So again Aunt Polly is saying that, "Rubbish, I don't believe it." So after hearing that, uh, Aunt Polly is saying that, "What rubbish are you talking? I don't believe that he is dying." But she fled upstairs, nevertheless, when the Sid and Mary at her heels. So, but whatever he said that that is a rubbish. That is Sid said that Tom is dying, right? So he told that Aunt Polly told that it is a rubbish. Don't say that. Don't say like that. It is a rubbish. I won't believe it. Even though he fled upstairs. Fled means that is flew. That is she is going very fast in upstairs. Nevertheless, that is joined with Sid and Mary on the at her heels, means together he is pulling all these two children to the Tom Sawyer's room, and her face grew white too, and her lips trembled. So, and as soon as he is reaching to the Tom Sawyer's room, so her face grew has changed into white in color, and her lips started to tremble அப்படி நடுங்க நடக்குது. என்னாச்சு ஏதாச்சு அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு he is rushing to the Tom Sawyer's room. When she reached the beside, she said, "You Tom, Tom, what's the matter with you?" So as soon as she reached the Tom Sawyer's bedroom, she reached near the bed of Tom Sawyer, and she's investigating, and she is asking what happened, what is the matter, Tom. Oh auntie, I'm so now Tom is saying that oh auntie, I'm so he didn't say after that. What's the matter with you? What's the matter with you, child? So again, Aunt Polly is asking to Tom that what's the matter? Say what's the matter, child? Oh, auntie, my sore is dying. Sorry, my sore toe is dying. So Tom is saying that. Oh my auntie, my sore toe is dying. The the old lady sank down into the chair and laughed a little, then cried a little, and then did both together. So after hearing that Tom said that her sore toe is dying, so that Aunt Polly, that old lady means Aunt Polly, started to laugh like a child. So for a little while she is laughing, after a little while she is crying, then after a little while she started to do both crying and laughing. This made her feel better, and she said, Tom, what a turn you did give me. So after a few minutes, after a few while doing all this laughing and crying, she feels now better and saying to Tom, what a turn, நீ என்னை எப்படி ஆக்கிட்ட. ஸோ see how I am, நான் எப்படி சிரிச்சுக்கிட்டு அழுதுகிட்டு ரெண்டும் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். ஸோ how you are making me like this. Aunt Polly is asking to Tom, now you shut up that nonsense and climb out of this. So and also with the angriness, and police saying to Tom that you shut up your mouth and get out of your bed. He is scolding Tom Sawyer. The groan stopped and the pain vanished from the toe. Now, from Tom Sawyer, the groan, that is the murmuring sound from the Tom Sawyer, has stopped, and the pain vanished from the toe. Vanished means disappeared. The meaning of vanished is disappear. So, here the pain is disappeared from the toe. The boy felt a little foolish, and he said, Aunt Polly, it seemed dying and it hurt, so I never mind my tooth at all. So now the boy means the boy refers to Tom. So now Tom is saying little, so he felt little foolishness. அவனுக்கே ஏதோ ஒரு முட்டாள்தனமாக இருந்துச்சு, ஓகேவா. ஸோ ஆஃப்டர் சீயிங் த ஆங்க்ரினஸ் ஆஃப் Aunt Polly, his all pain has vanished from her toe. After that he itself felt very foolishness. So after that he said, okay, Tom said to Aunt Polly, it seemed dying, so I thought it seemed dying, Aunt Polly, and it also hurts me. I never minded, so it hurts me, so I never minded my tooth at all. So Tom Sawyer is saying that the tooth is dying, so by that pain I can't able to remember the tooth pain itself. So I can able to understand. இங்கே என்ன சொல்கிறாங்கன்னா இந்த லைனில், இங்கே எனக்கு வந்து கால் ரொம்பமாக வலிச்சது, அது ரொம்ப அது அப்படியே ரொம்ப டையிங் ஆகிற நிலமையில ரொம்ப சஃபர் ஆகி ரொம்ப வலிச்சது, அது அந்த வழியில் வந்துட்டு நான் டூத் பெயினை கூட மறந்துட்டேன் பாருங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு Thomas saying to Aunt Polly, your tooth indeed, what's the matter with your tooth? So now again Aunt Polly is asking to Tom Sawyer, your tooth. So your tooth, what happened to your tooth? He is asking. Aunt Polly is asking to Tom Sawyer, what your tooth? What happened to your tooth? What is the matter with your tooth? He is asking. One of them is loose and it is edges perfectly awful. So now Tom is saying, so this is said by Tom. So now Tom is saying that is one of his tooth is loose and it is paining. It means pain. So it is paining very unpleasant. There, now. Don't begin that groaning again. Open your mouth well. So, after Tom said that her one of his tooth is loose, so Aunt Polly saying, there, okay, போதும், don't now, there, now, don't begin to groan again. போதும் மறுபடியும் வந்துட்டு உன் முனங்குற சத்தத்தை ஆரம்பிச்சிடாத. Like that, Aunt Polly is saying to Tom Sawyer, open your mouth. Here Aunt Polly is asking to open the mouth of Tom Sawyer. Well, your tooth is loose. So she examined Tom Sawyer tooth, and she said that your tooth is loose, but you're not going to die for that. So yes, your tooth is loose only, but you're not going to die for that. நீ அதுக்காக வந்துட்டு செத்துறலாம் மாட்ட. Mary, get me a silk thread and a chunk of fire out of the kitchen. So Mary, Aunt Polly asked Mary to get a silk thread and a chunk of fire from out of the kitchen. Chunk of fire means கறி துண்டு இருக்குது இல்லையா, அது ஓகேவா. அதுவும் சில்க் த்ரெட்டையும் வந்துட்டு மேரியை வந்துட்டு கிச்சன்லேருந்து எடுத்துகிட்டு வர சொன்னாங்க. Tom said, oh please auntie, don't pull it out. So Tom Sawyer is begging Aunt Polly, oh auntie, please don't pull it out. அதை வந்து பிடிங்கிறாதீங்க. It don't hurt anymore. It will won't pain again. So it won't hurt anymore means it I'll surely say you it will won't pain again for me. I wish I may never stir if it does. So he's saying, Tom Sawyer is saying to Aunt Polly that I wish I am saying that it will never stir me does it again. இது மறுபடியும் வந்துட்டு வலிக்காது, வலிச்சாலும் நான் சொல்லவே மாட்டேன். He is saying that please don't auntie, I don't want to stay home from school. So he's begging Aunt Polly, please don't auntie, don't pull the tooth out. I'll go school itself. I won't stay in home. He is begging Aunt Polly. Oh, you don't you? So all this row was because you thought you would get to stay home from school and go fishing. So after this only Aunt Polly can able to understand that everything was a drama. Oh, you don't you? So நீ நேரம் சொன்னதெல்லாம் பொய்யா. So all this rows, so all this dramas was because you thought you can get to stay home from school and go fishing. So all this drama was done to stay at home and go for fishing. She's asking to Tom, I love you so much and you seem to try every way you can to break my old heart with your mischief. So Aunt Polly saying to Tom, I love you so much. I like you very much. Aunt Polly saying to Tom that Tom, I like you very much, I love you very much, but each and every time you're breaking my heart with your mischief, with your naughtiness and with your mischief, you're breaking my heart, but I like you very much. Like that Aunt Polly saying to Tom. By this time the dental instruments were ready. So what is the dental instruments? A silk thread and chunk of fire. So Mary took that and gave to Aunt Polly. The old lady made one end of the silk thread fast to the Tom's tooth with a loop and tied the other to the bedpost. So old lady means Aunt Polly what she did, she tied the one end of the silk thread to the Tom's tooth and one end to the bedpost with a loop. So what is the meaning of loop? See the glossary, curve. So loop means curve, அதே வந்துட்டு சுருளலாம், ஓகேவா. ஸோ கர்வ் மீன்ஸ் அந்த லூப், வித் லூப் மீன்ஸ் முடி போடுறதுக்கு வந்துட்டு டிக்க ரவுண்டாக முடி போட இது பண்ணுவாங்க இல்லையா, தட் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் லூப். ஸோ ஒன் எண்ட் வாஸ் டைட் டு த டாம்ஸ் tooth and one end was tied to the other bedpost. Then he caught hold of chunk of fire and suddenly pushed it almost into the boy's face. The tooth was hanging loosely by the bedpost now. So what she did, she took the chunk of fire and she pulled it to the boy's face. So when she pulled with the chunk of fire, the tooth came out and it was hanging in the other end of the bedpost. So up to this, the supplementary is over. So what you're coming to learn from this means, so each and every students will be so miserable in Monday, that is on Monday morning. எல்லாருக்குமே வந்துட்டு இந்த மண்டே மார்னிங்னாவே வந்துட்டு என்னது ஒரு சோம்பேறித்தனம் இருக்கும், எந்திச்சு ஸ்கூலுக்கு போகணுமே அப்படிங்கிறது. ஸோ தட் இஸ் வாட் ஹியர் they have coming to reveal here. I hope you have understand. Thank you.